Google just dropped the brand new Gemini 3 Pro image model, and the internet is going crazy right now. And guess what? Hickfield just added it to their models, powering their new Nano Banana Pro image model. Now you can now generate true 4K images, perfect text, clean anatomy, constant faces, and visuals that actually understand what you are asking for. No more broken spellings, no more weird hands, no more wasted generations. Today I'm going to show you everything that's new in the Nano Banana Pro and how you can use it inside Hickfield to create professional images in minutes. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. Alright, so welcome back. So first of all, you're going to go over to Higgsfield.ai, and you can see a unlimited 4K Nano Banana Pro generation, and you can see a couple of images that were generated using the Nano Banana Pro, and you can set your resolution to 4K and max. So let's try it out. So I'm going to click on the Nano Banana Pro here. I'm going to click on it. So yeah, this is how the interface looks like. So you can drag in up to 8 images here. You can select your ratio and you can set your resolution to 4K. So I'm going to go over and type in a prompt. So this prompt is for a product package design. So I'm going to paste in my prompt here: modern cereal box packaging, it's readable typography, bold colors, clean layout, 4K resolution, realistic shadow and textures, front and side. Okay, so I'm going to set our resolution to 4K and I'm going to click on generate. So you can see here is generating. So the use cases of this AI tool are endless. You can use it for products, you can use it for meme generations, you can use this for your clothing brand business, and a lot of amazing things you can do with this amazing tool. So here you can see that it is done generating, and you can view the image here. You can see that it is done downloading, and you can see the quality we got. You can see how sharp the product is. So this is actually 4K resolution, and you can see how detailed this is. So you can use this for different case studies. You can use this for product visuals. You can use this for mockup as a creative, and you can use it for a lot of things. You can use it for kit swap. You can use it for your clothing business to test out your clothes on different models. So next I'm going to do a kit swap. I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to do a kit swap. This is the image of Jeremy Frickbong, and this is the other image of the jersey. So I'm going to paste in this prompt here. When I paste in this prompt here, I'm going to customize this a little bit, and I'm going to set our resolution to 4K, and let's set the size to 4.5, and let's hit generate to see the results we get. So you can use this for kit swap. Instead of spending hours in Photoshop try to get the right light position, try to warp and so on, you can use this as a quick tool to quickly do a kit swap. And you can use this to generate product mockups. You can use this to create visuals for your brand. Well, you can see it is done generating. So let's view our image. So this is our image here. So it's currently loading. So note that this output is actually 4K resolution. So that's why it's taking time to load. So it's actually 4K resolution, and it keeps the facial expression, the hairs, everything the same way it was in the original image. And here you can see the results we got. You can see how amazing this is. So our image is done generating, and this is the image here. So you can see the details and everything. You can see the skin tools. Everything looks realistic and seamless. So you can see everything here. You can see the skin tools. This is something that will take you hours trying to achieve in Photoshop or other photo editing software. You can also go ahead and edit the prompts. So let's also edit the image and ask it to modify it so the model is holding the soccer ball. Let's see the results we also get. And here you can see it is done generating. So you can see the modified image here. So you can see that it modified the image, and Wong is now holding the ball, and this is super amazing. Before you can achieve this in Photoshop, and it takes you hours, skills, and a lot of things has to go in for you to achieve this in Photoshop. So with just one click you can achieve. So this is the image here. This is the image of Jeremy holding the soccer ball, and this is really amazing and super realistic. So let's try another use case to recreate the shot of the White House. I'm going to upload this prompt of Donald Trump and Leo Messi standing together inside the White House wearing formal attire, realistic lighting, and so on, shaking hands. So let's see. So Ronaldo recently visited the White House, so let's try and recreate this. So let's click on generate and see the results we're going to get. So as it's generated, here's something important. If you subscribe before November 23rd, Hickfield is giving unlimited Nano Banana Pro generation for 1 whole year. And as you can see from this comparison chart, Hickfield currently has the highest ranking with the cheapest subscription on the entire market. You are getting pro level image quality, 4K output, and a Gemini powered model at a price no other platform is even close to. In View 3, Sora 2, Clink, and a lot of amazing AI models. So the link for you to subscribe to this plan is in the description, and make sure not to miss out on it. So let's check our image if it's done generating. And wow, you can see our image is done generating. So you can see the image over here. This is really amazing. You can see that it has a cool result. You don't have so many hands. Everything looks okay. So let's download our image. So our image is done downloading. So let's zoom in. And wow, this is really amazing. So you can even see the White House logo here. You can see the US logo on the mats here, and this is really amazing. You can see you have a 4K resolution. So this is a tool for endless meme generation, realistic meme generation in high quality. So let's try out the last use case. So I saw this image of Kevin Hart, so I'm going to be swapping the outfit into the Louis Vuitton outfit. So let's see the results we get. Let's input our prompts. So swap the outfit of the uploaded model with the clothing from the uploaded clothing image, keep the model original, and so on. So let's click on generate. So you can see our output is still set to 4K, and wow, this is amazing. So you can see it has generated the image. So let me open the image so you can see it. So this is the image of Kevin Hart wearing the outfit we just uploaded. So you can see the slippers is there, the shorts are there, and the shirts, jackets, and everything looks super amazing. So let's download it, and you can also go ahead and animate it. So when it's done downloading, I'm going to animate the video. So alright, it's done downloading. So let's zoom in. Wow, so you can see the results we got. This is super amazing. So if you have a clothing business, you can try this out. You can upload samples of your clothes and switch the outfits of different models and see how your outfit looks on other models. So let's animate this. So I'm going to go over to video. So yeah, you can see here it is selected. So I'm going to paste in my prompt here. So for the model, let's use the 2.5. Let's use 2.5 since it is uncensored, and you can set your resolution to 1080p, and let's set our duration to 10 seconds, and let's click on generate. So let's see the results we get. So you can see it is generating. So you can see it is done generating. So let's play our video. So you can see the video here, still loading. And yeah, that is it. So you can see how amazing this is. So you can see the video. This is an image of Kevin Hart. You can see how seamless the cloth is on his body. So yeah, that is it for today's video. So you can go ahead and download your video in NATP. So that's it for today's video. The link to this AI is in the description and it's also on the pinned comment. Check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you're going to create with this AI tool and what you have already created using the AI tool. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.